Welcome back to another video, guys. So we're gonna go pick up the Coyote truck. It just came back from Bandas y Trocas right now, and once we come back, we're gonna go and do an exhaust on the Ford. I've been wanting to do an exhaust on this truck for a while now. I've had it for a few months and I just haven't been able to, but today I should be doing it. Hopefully we get back quick, we don't have that much traffic, and I'll show you guys what exhaust we're going with, where I got it from, and all that good stuff. Back. Look at this, risking my life right here. Check out the other one. This is a dog. Yo, Charlie. Yo, Charlie. Charlie. Why are you risking my life, bro? Huh? Why are you risking my life? Why are you risking my life like that with those wheels, those tires? Look, badass truck. You can't afford new tires.
The company I work for doesn't pay that good. I work for trucking around. Hey, yours at his house, so you're gonna have to.
Thank you.
After we're done eating, no? It's lunchtime, bro. Este show estuvo chingón, ¿ah, chico? Puro volaste, ¿verdad? Igual, güey.
¿Sí?
La ventana.
show June 4th. So if you have got any entries, that's a good time to do so. And you never know, you can be our next winner. Badass truck, blacked out, welds, 8-inch lip welds in the back. Pretty badass. Truckaround.net, that's where you get entered. We did drop a few new hats. I'm going to show you the new hats in a little bit. 3 new hats. We won't be making them again. So if you like them, go and grab them. Alright, so before we go and pick up the exhaust, let me show you the new hats we just had. We just added to our website. If you guys like them, go and grab it because we won't be making these again. These ones are all going to be limited drops. So first we have this gray and black with the black TA logo and the Truckaround logo on the side, on the left side, with the baby blue undervisor and the Truckaround branding inside. It is a snapback. Most of our hats now will be snapbacks. We will have a few fitted in the future, but for now they'll be snapbacks. Next we have this red one, red with gold Truckaround logo on the left side, snapback, black visor, undervisor, black sweatband, and the Truckaround branding inside. Then last we have this black and white. This one sold pretty good at the show, so I know it's going to be gone pretty soon. It has the Truckaround on the side, left side. It has the Sarape undervisor, black sweatband, Truckaround branding, and it has a taco on the right hand side. Like I said, snapback as well. So if you guys like any of these, if you guys are into hats, make sure you guys go buy one. You guys already know the link is going to be in the description, and get one before they're gone because we won't be making these again.
So what we got going on right now, Danny?
Yeah, my boy, you gotta wait till I put my hat on.
Put your hat off. So what we got going on today, Danny?
I'm gonna go pick up the exhaust for the Ford, bro, but look at this traffic, man. We picked the wrong time to come.
Yeah, the 605 ain't no joke.
Look, any freeway here is no joke.
It's that California life.
Yeah, at least we got nice weather, though.
All day, every day.
High gas prices and traffic, but nice weather. Alright guys, so we just picked up the exhaust right now. I'm gonna show you guys that later on the video when we install it, but we're right here with
George?
and he's gonna tell you guys what he sells and how you guys can get a hold of him. He has a bunch of stuff. He set up a little bit of the stuff he sells right here, and I know he has more stuff that he can order for you guys, so we're gonna let him talk right now and show you guys what he has.
Yeah, let me show you real quick. My name is George from Colorado's Truck Parts. You can go ahead and find me on Instagram at lacolorada16_. And let me show you some of the parts that I carry. These are my most popular items. The wings for the F-150s and suspension. Those are by far my most popular items that I carry for Fords, right? And then one of our newest additions is the Corsa exhaust for 2021 F-150s, which is what Danny picked up for his truck. And you can see right here, it's very nice, all stainless steel. Very nice quality product. And then my second most popular item would be wheels. Weld is by far the most popular wheels I sell. And then this new wheel we just got, the Momos, we're going to be pushing these a lot, but everything Ford is really our market. We can get it for any part, Chevy, Ford, Ram, but really our specialty is Fords.
And then what from like stuff that you don't have here, what else do you have, or what else can you get?
Yeah, I can get hoods. Most of the time those are shipped because they're very bulky. I can get tires from, and again, everything suspension, especially performance stuff like Boss suspension, IHC suspension, Viking, everything performance related for these trucks, I carry it. And a lot of the times I have it in stock here for people to pick up as well.
And then you ship also, right?
Yeah, I ship.
So
I can
you
ship
can
it
pick
anywhere.
up here in LA,
Yeah.
close to the LA area, or he ships for you. So if you're out of state and you want to order, you can hit him up on Instagram, and then he'll ship the parts out for you too.
Thank you.
Alright guys, 6:36. We're still in traffic. We went with Danny to go get some things. It doesn't seem to stop around here, right Danny?
Never stops, bro. It's like this freaking, what, 10 a.m., 6 a.m.? And then all the way to like 8 p.m.
Well, you've been on the road all day today, right?
Yeah, hell yeah. I went to pick up the Coyote truck all the way to like 2 hours away, San Paula. And then came back, hopped on this one, and then picked you up. Alright, so we're back. There's our phones right now. I'm just trying to show you after. Alright, so like I said, this one's done. Pretty much just bolts on it. I have a bolt right here, 2 bolts, one on each side, another one right here, and then a bracket on the inside, and it just goes straight to the side. Show you this right here.
Not on the rack.
Alright guys, so we're all done here with the Ford. I'm gonna leave you guys with a little before and after video. Make sure you drop a comment, let me know what you guys think and what else we should do to the Ford. Alright, so I was going to finish the video already, but I got a package. I got home right now. I got a package from Jesus Martinez from San Diego. He sent me this. This badass little tumbler for my coffee. Truck around some of my personal trucks, some of the giveaways trucks, and my bag truck right here. Lifter one, the Ford, the clone, the giveaway with the engraved wheels. Very nice. Shout out to him. Thank you, bro. Really appreciate the little gift. You already know, trucking around.